Let me ask you something. Have you noticed that your arms feel a little thinner than they used to? That carrying groceries is harder than it was 5 years ago? That you wake up stiff and getting off the couch takes a second longer than you'd like to admit? Here's what nobody is telling you. That's not just getting old. That is your body sending you a very specific distress signal. And the solution is not what you think. Most people over 60, doctors included, will point you straight to a protein shake, a supplement, a pill, a powder. But here's the truth that the supplement industry does not want you to know. There are 5 ordinary foods, things you can buy at any grocery store for a few dollars, that outperform the most expensive protein supplements on the market when it comes to rebuilding aging muscle. And if you're over 60, your body is specifically designed to respond to these foods in a way that younger people simply cannot. Stay with me, because by the end of this video, you are going to understand why your muscles are shrinking, what is actually stopping you from rebuilding them, and exactly which 5 foods to start eating this week. First, let's talk about what's actually happening in your body. Because once you understand this, everything else clicks into place. Starting around age 30, the human body begins a process called sarcopenia. Sarcopenia. It's a medical term, but the meaning is simple. The slow, steady loss of muscle mass. After 60, that process accelerates dramatically. Without intervention, you can lose between 3 and 5% of your muscle mass every single decade. Some studies suggest it can be even faster than that. Now, why does that matter? Because muscle is not just about how you look. Muscle is the engine of your independence. Your muscle tissue is what keeps you from falling. It's what lets you carry things, climb stairs, play with grandchildren, travel, drive, live on your own terms. When muscle disappears, balance goes with it. Bone density drops. Your metabolism slows. Fatigue sets in. And the scary part? Most people don't even realize it's happening until things get very difficult. Very fast. But here's the part that gives me genuine hope. And the reason I made this video. Muscle loss after 60 is not inevitable. It is not a fixed sentence. The research on this is now crystal clear. The aging body absolutely can rebuild muscle tissue at any age, including well into your 70s and 80s, with the right nutritional signals. The problem is that most people over 60 are eating the wrong foods. Not bad foods, not junk food, just the wrong foods for what their aging biology actually needs. And that brings us to the single biggest obstacle standing between you and stronger muscles. This one surprised me when I first learned about it. Here's something the supplement companies will never put on the label of their product. After age 60, your body develops something called anabolic resistance. What that means is, your muscles become significantly less responsive to the protein and amino acids you eat. You can eat the same amount of protein as a 30-year-old and get far less muscle-building response from it. That's why so many older adults do everything right. They drink their shakes, they take their amino acid capsules, and still feel like they're spinning their wheels. It's not a willpower problem. It's a biology problem. And this is exactly where those 5 foods become extraordinary. Because these aren't just high-protein foods, they are foods that contain specific compounds, leucine, omega-3 fatty acids, antioxidants, and bioactive peptides that work directly against anabolic resistance. These foods don't just deliver protein. They tell your aging muscle cells to wake up and actually use it. Are you ready? Let's go through all 5. Food number 1 is something most of you already have in your refrigerator right now. Eggs. The whole egg, yolk included, triggers a significantly greater muscle protein synthesis response than egg whites alone. For people over 60, eggs are especially powerful because they are one of the highest natural sources of leucine. The simple ad: start your morning with 2 whole scrambled eggs. Food number 2 might just be the most underrated muscle food on the planet for people over 60. Fatty fish, salmon, sardines, mackerel. Omega-3 fatty acids sensitize aging muscle cells to protein. They help break down that wall of anabolic resistance. The simple ad: aim for fatty fish 2 to 3 times per week. Canned sardines on whole grain crackers is a powerful muscle rebuilding snack. Food number 3 is going to surprise you. Tart cherries, or more broadly, dark, deeply pigmented berries. One of the biggest reasons older adults struggle to rebuild muscle isn't just low protein intake, it's inflammation and oxidative stress. When you exercise, you create microscopic damage in your muscle fibers. That's normal. That's how muscle grows. But in aging bodies, chronic low-grade inflammation slows down the repair process dramatically. Tart cherries contain potent anti-inflammatory compounds called anthocyanins. Studies show they significantly reduce muscle damage markers and speed up recovery after exercise. The simple ad: a small glass of tart cherry juice before bed, or a daily handful of blueberries on your oatmeal. Food number 4 works almost like a slow-release muscle repair system. Greek yogurt, not regular yogurt. Greek yogurt is strained, which removes most of the liquid whey, and what's left is a dramatically more concentrated source of protein. A single cup can deliver 17 to 20 grams of protein. But the real magic is casein protein, a slow-digesting protein that releases amino acids into your bloodstream gradually over 5 to 7 hours. Think of it this way. A protein shake hits your bloodstream like a wave and then recedes. Greek yogurt feeds your muscles slowly, like a tide coming in. There's also the gut health dimension. Greek yogurt contains live probiotic cultures that support healthy gut bacteria. Better gut health equals more protein actually getting into your muscle cells. The simple ad: 1 cup of full-fat Greek yogurt as an afternoon snack, mixed with berries. And now, food number 5. Beef liver. Or chicken liver if beef feels too strong. I know, but stay with me. Liver is, gram for gram, one of the most nutrient-dense foods on Earth. It delivers complete protein, zinc, B12, creatine, and CoQ10, all critical for aging muscle. A single 3-ounce serving of beef liver gives you more of these muscle-critical nutrients than most people get in a week. The simple ad: once a week is enough. Chicken liver is milder. Liver pâté on whole grain toast is genuinely delicious. So let's bring this all together. Your muscles are not surrendering without a fight. They are waiting for the right signals. You don't have to overhaul your entire life. Start with one food. Add another next week. Stack these foods consistently over 60 to 90 days, and I promise you, you will feel it. More strength, better balance, less fatigue, more life. And if this video helped you, please hit that like button. It genuinely helps this channel reach more people over 60 who need this information. Subscribe if you want more science-backed nutrition for the second half of life. And drop a comment below and tell me, which of these 5 foods are you going to try first? I'll see you in the next one. Take good care of yourself.